How to get notified when someone screenshots on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to send disappearing messages that notify you when someone takes a screenshot on Instagram for your Android device. First, it's important to know that Instagram doesn't have a feature to completely prevent screenshots on regular posts or stories. However, you can get notified when someone screenshots disappearing messages in Instagram DMs. Open the Instagram application on your Android device. Next, tap on the Messages icon at the bottom of the screen to go to your DMs. Following that, open an existing conversation or start a new chat with someone. Now, tap on the Gallery icon to select the photo or video you want to share. Choose the content you want to share. Moving forward, look for View Once or Allow Replay options at the bottom. Tap on View Once to send a disappearing photo or video. Afterwards, this ensures the content can only be viewed once and will disappear after being opened. Add any text or stickers if you want. Tap Send to deliver your disappearing message. If the recipient takes a screenshot of this disappearing content, Instagram will immediately notify you. You'll receive a notification saying that person screenshotted your message. This is the only way Instagram currently allows you to track screenshots. For regular posts, stories, and reels, there's no way to prevent or be notified about screenshots. Instagram removed screenshot notifications for regular stories a few years ago. The only protected content is disappearing messages sent in DMs with the View Once feature. Keep this in mind when sharing sensitive content on Instagram. If you don't want something screenshotted, it's best not to post it publicly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you understand screenshot notifications on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.